It's me. I'm going to try to do this and make it look that way. Landscape. Not sure if it's going to work or not though, so sorry. So today, since I've had so many requests of me just doing things around the house, because what you guys don't know is I'm actually really domestic. I love cleaning and cooking and, just stuff like that. I hate all of that stuff. But sometimes I have to do it. So today we're going to do laundry. And when we moved in here, I was so excited because I was going to have my own washer and dryer, and I didn't have to lug everything to the laundry room. And I was like, oh my God, I'm going to do laundry every other day. I'm going to be so caught up. And that's bullshit. That's never going to happen. I don't think anyone ever does that in the real world. So I currently have 2 or 3 loads to do. So we're going to do that. And you guys, here's the thing. So I'm never going to become internet famous if you guys don't like and comment on my videos. And we all know this is a dream that I've been chasing since I was 13 years old. I have put in long hours on the internet in AOL chat rooms pretending to be an 18-year-old with flaming locks of auburn hair and eyes of emerald green. I was basically the song Jolene. And I basically invented catfishing. And where has it gotten me? Nowhere. Nowhere in life. And so if you guys don't help me with this, my dream is dead. It's dead in the water. And I don't want to say that, you're ruining my life, but, you might be. So please, do it for me. Just comment on this or like it. Just share it. I don't know. Don't share it, actually. This is probably not going to be a very good one. But share one of the other ones. So anyway, we're going to start. I'm actually going to be doing the kids' laundry right now. So what I do is I usually go through here and unfold all their socks because somehow they wear approximately 14 pairs of socks a day. So there's some. And then I just start with that. And then I just start tossing things in. Just unfold the socks as you see fit. Maybe your kids don't wear as many socks as mine do. I don't know. That's mine, actually. Don't know why it's in there. There's hair. So after I generally have all that done, I'm going to go through here. Oh, things stuck in each other. We're going to kind of pull that stuff apart. For the most part, this should be all good already, though. So I'm just going to start dropping things in. A lot of people, and I feel like this is an outdated notion, a lot of people say that you should separate the darks and lights and whites and colors and all that stuff. I think that's bullshit. I don't do that. I'm a rebel. I don't like being told what to do. So, guess what, bitches? I don't. This is generally what I do. I'm just going to fill it. Oh, lost one. I'm going to fill it until it generally just fits in there. Just, okay. Some little panties in there. I'm just going to shove everything in here. Sometimes you have to do it violently, to make sure everything fits. Whatever you have to do, really. There we go. Oh, I think I can make it all fit, actually. I'm getting pretty good at this, just shoving a ton of shit in here, so that's exciting. So that's, whoa, look at that. Actually fit. Here we go. Oh, yeah, dinosaur jammy. I think there's a sock I lost back there. It's gone forever. What are you going to do? So as you can see, everything fits pretty well. And So what I use citrus and sandalwood scented laundry detergent from Trader Joe's. I just really like the fresh, earthy scent of this. It's got like some nice woodsy undertones. And also David bought it at Trader Joe's and I didn't, so whatever. I think you just need one. I don't know. Follow garment care. No one does that. Drop one pack. Oh, before adding clothes. Whatever. So anyway, we threw that in there. We're gonna put it on extra large, cause that's the way I do it. And cold. And then we're gonna turn it on. Laundry. So that's it. It's as simple as that. It's where we keep all of our random shit. And you're so welcome for all these helpful hints and tips. And I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, holler at me, let me know. If you didn't, I don't care. Don't let me know, because that'll hurt my feelings, and I'm very sensitive. So, my washer is on the wrong side, so that's the right side and that's the left side. It should be switched because that way you can go back. It's a poor design. Whatever. Okay. Thanks, guys. It was really good to see you today. We should go get coffee sometime or something. That was really good to see you. Really good to see you. I hope you're well. Bless you. Bless your heart. Bye.